Good morning, dear students. Today I will start transfer of charge. Transfer of charge. Electrical charge can be transferred from a charged body to another metal conductor. It is because the metals are good conductors of electricity. You know that metals are the good conductors of electricity, and electrical charge can be transferred from a charged body to another metal conductor. So following activity will prove the point. Now come to the activity 15.5. In this activity you will see that transfer of electrical charge from a charged body to a metal conductor. For this activity, materials required: an empty clear plastic jar, stiff cardboard bigger than the mouth of a jar, and a clear copper wire 10 centimeter long, and 2 aluminium foils 1 by 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter, half centimeter into 2 centimeter, plastic ruler, and a strip of woolen cloth. Method: take a clear plastic jar and make sure it is absolutely dry. Take a clear plastic jar and it should be absolutely dry. And if it is not dry, place it in the sun for half an hour. And if it is not dry, then you can keep in front of the sun for half an hour, and then you will see that take the given stiff cardboard and make a hole in the middle, and then you will take one cardboard and take a hole in the middle and pass the copper wire through the hole and hold in the position with plasticine. You can see in the diagram. Place it like this and then bend the end of A, that is A, of the wire in the form of U. You can see in the diagram in the form of U, and to each limb of U fix the aluminium foils as shown in the figure 15.6 and place the cardboard over the mouth of plastic jar and bend its end B in the form of L. And then now rub a plastic ruler with fur and touch it to the end B of the wire. And what happens to the aluminium foil? Repeat the activity by charging glass rod, ebonite rod, and make your observations. What do you observe? You will observe that when charged plastic ruler touches the end B, then of the copper wire, the aluminium foils diverge outwards, and it is because the charge from the plastic ruler flows into the copper wire and then to the aluminium foils. So we can say that aluminium foils are charged with the same kind of charge and hence repel each other. And when the end B is touched with fingers, the aluminium foils collapse, and that is they come back to their original position. And you can see that when the end B touched with fingers and the aluminium foils collapse, and here you can see that aluminium foils collapse and they come back to the original position, and it is because the charge from the aluminium foils flows into the copper wire and then into our body and finally goes into the earth. And as the aluminium foils have no charge, therefore they collapse. And in this, similar observations are recorded with other charged bodies such as glass or ebonite. And you can see that the device made above is useful in detecting electrical charge on a body, and such a device is called the electroscope. Definition: a device which can detect the electrical charge on a body is called the electroscope. What is the electroscope? A device which can recognize or which can detect the electrical charge on any body is called the electroscope. So when the charge from the electroscope flows into the earth, the electroscope is said to be discharged. And the process of transferring of an electrical charge from a charged body to the earth is called the earthing. Till here you will take revision.